coach, a major underdog in the recent AFC Challenge Cup in Nepal, but lo and behold, they surpassed expectations.
Finishing third in the tournament was quite an achievement for the team as they went up against powerhouse North Korea and a number of former Challenge Cup champions. Ilya Gazman also proved that he's one of the best in Asia, winning the Golden Boot Award after scoring a tournament-leading 6 goals.
Joining us this evening to talk about their success in the Challenge Cup are team manager Dan Palami, team members Wani and Angel Guirado, Carly Di Murga, Marwin Angeles, and Lisa Agba. Doran!
Yay!
Let's talk a bit about the tournament going in, Dan. You really had, what were your expectations going into the tournament? Because you know this whole experience is breaking new ground for you.
You know, we were always kind of worried because of the preparations. Medyo, it wasn't the ideal preparations that we had. We had some of our players had to play in their clubs, and the only training that we had was really when we went to Dubai for the camp. But so coming into the tournament, we were telling ourselves, just show them that we are fighting, and till the end of the last 90th minute, that we are still fighting, and that we show everybody in the Philippines that even if we lose, they'll be proud of us, and it'll be okay.
Talking a little bit about the officiating, some of us here were complaining that the officials were sort of trigger happy.
It's raining yellow cards for the Philippines.
Yeah, so how do you deal with that? Because obviously the suspensions hurt.
Yeah, we were quite surprised that in our first game against North Korea, the referee was actually from India. I think it was an oversight by the organizers because India was in the same group as we were, and we were questioning that, and they said, "Oh, sorry, next time it won't happen." But then okay, let's just say that there's an oversight, but then there were a lot of yellow cards on that day, and that was actually what hurt us in our game against Turkmenistan.
Okay. Wani, you joined the team now in your first international with the Azkals. Playing with your brother is a new experience, and playing for the Philippine team is a new experience, and scoring your first goal. International goal with the Azkals. How did it feel?
Well, I stay very happy for all. Very proud for all people see us. Very proud of all my team. I like the union of all team. I think that this union is important for to win these games and stay in where stay. And I think that in the future, if all is the same, we stay more up.
Coming into the tournament, you were supposed to join them, I think, last year. And now you only joined them for this tournament. And everybody's been talking about how comparatively, make a comparison between you and Angel. So now that you've played with the team, what are your expectations being part of the Azkals now?
My expectation, what you say 1 year before, I can't come here because my situation in Spain is difficult and different as Angel. And now is my Boss Dan, Coach Wells, and all people let me this opportunity. I try don't forget this opportunity. When I finish, I think that I stay very happy for my part, and I want to stay more time. I want to stay if all people want and Philippines want. I stay.
What about? What
without talking much about the details, let's just ask you about distractions. Because you played well in the tournament. You were a key contributor in many areas.
Especially on defense.
Exactly, and linking up with other players for goals. How do you deal with distractions and then playing that way in the tournament?
Well, for me, it's difficult, pero for me it's more important play for the Azkal team and make very concentration for play. Es muy importante y ¿cómo se dice? Y se ha visto, o sea que se ha reflejado en el campo y lo importante es que he conseguido.
Nothing I can translate.
More concentration. Just concentrate on the game.
Yes, he showed his concentration in the pitch.
Mhm.
With his game.
All right, great, great.
Y lo importante es que hemos conseguido el tercer puesto y es con lo que me quedo.
And the most important is the third place.
All right, very good. Now,
Carly naman
Yeah,
tayo.
go ahead.
Tagalogin siya.
Filipino talaga.
Oh, yan.
there you go. That said it all.
That's it.
That said it all.
Okay, I just quickly on that. Is it as bad as what? Because we hear a lot of the things here in the Philippines, obviously, and with social media. But how does the coaching staff take you away from reading everything and concentrating
Yeah,
on
on Twitter,
on the game?
Facebook,
Yeah, and hopefully it's not as bad as what we hear here, no matter what the controversy is.
My personal opinion is this problem, about this problem, the team go more strong.
Bonds you.
Yes,
Bonds
more
you
union.
more. Okay.
Because we support Angel, we support
Yeah.
Lexton, and all the team more.
So you rally behind
Yes,
your
yes.
teammates. Okay,
Right.
I get that.
Well, okay, I want to ask Misa, he's been here for a while. How did that feel, hearing somebody say that about your teammates and sort of, in a way, referring to the whole team? That, about being Filipino.
Because
And
when
you've been here, you've lived here.
yeah, I've been here
You,
almost.
you
for-
take the MRT and
Yes,
stuff
I
like
was
that.
born here and
Yeah.
I just grew up in Iran, but I stayed here 10 years already,
Mhm.
and I stayed in Iran for 15 years.
Mhm.
And every time we play football and we go to other countries, it's like everybody call us Filipino,
Yeah.
and we like. I lost one of my tooth. I broke my tooth, my
My
nose.
nose.
Yeah.
I had broken here,
Yeah.
and this is all because of football. And I tried to do 100%. I
Mhm.
fought for the country, of course, for the flag, and I was so proud that we are playing all as a Filipino in the Philippine football. And everywhere we go, they call us Filipino in the other countries. But when we come to the field, when we heard this kind of thing, like they don't call us Filipino because we are foreigner, was kind of sad.
Mhm.
But playing well with these guys or other foreign players who has, of course, we have Filipino blood and we want to show that
Mhm.
we want to make our mother's side or father's side proud
Yeah.
because we are Filipino, we have Filipino blood. That's why we're playing for Filipino. But that makes us stronger and do better to show those people we are one team. We are
Yeah.
Philippine team.
Okay.
So,
Marvin, kwentuhan mo nga kami. Ano nangyayari sa locker room pag, let's say, this whole, the training, the camp in the Middle East, eventually you going to the Challenge Cup. How exactly was the bonding of the team during that whole period up until you won third place? Kwentuhan mo kami.
Siyempre, yung compact talaga ng team, nagsasanay kami maglaro, magkasama kami, tapos mga joking sa mga kwarto. So, yun sa tingin ko, yung bonding talaga sa narating natin sa third place. Tapos, yun talaga sa tingin ko.
Pakiramdam niyo ba pag naglalaro kayo, and Coach chime in on this one also, pag naglalaro kayo sa ibang bansa, parang rin kayong home team eh. Minsan, mas
Yeah.
marami kayong
Yeah.
fans, whether they're Filipinos or not, who nanonood, who watch the games, who watch the matches.
Oo naman, madami din yung nagsusuporta sa amin. So, masaya kami na madami yung Pinoy na nanonood kami at syempre dito sa Pilipinas madami din yung mga suporta. So, salamat talaga sa
We actually had a lot of games where
You outnumbered.
mas maraming
Actually,
Kita naman dito eh.
well, except in Nepal, and we are quite thankful of the Filipino community there, including our
Sila
ambassador,
Ebong, Patrick,
James,
Yeah,
and
of course.
in the whole of Nepal, I think there are about 100 Filipinos.
And they were all there.
And it's 80 kasi yung iba nasa trabaho. Pero 80 of them nandun
Showed
sila
up.
and medyo maganda yun.
At maingay talaga sila.
Maingay.
So one last question. I know we have to go, but talking about the chemistry, how all of these challenges have really forged a team. What triggered that? I mean, it could have easily resulted in a couple of players being outcast by the team, or everybody just choosing sides in this? What triggered that?
Well, it's a continuing challenge to to blend it. Magkaiba-iba yung well, they grew up in different cultura, but all of them actually have one desire, and that is to represent the Philippines. And they're proud to wear the flag, even when in our walks, yung mga limbering namin exercises. Everybody, Philippines, look at the flag, kiss the flag, and the credit goes to for this tournament, the Nepalese. And everywhere they see us when we had our practices, Filipinos, and I think that's what made us sad. Doon, Filipinos kami. Pagdating dito, medyo may mga...
that's for a whole different episode.
We got your back.
And hopefully, we don't have time, but hopefully we get to host the AFC in 2 years' time.
Yeah, of course.
And I know maganda yung posibilidad. Coach,
thank you.
balitaan nyo kami at maraming
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us here.
Congratulations.
And for our last shot tonight from NFL legend John Elway and his soon-to-be ex-Denver Broncos starting quarterback. Elway said, Tim Tebow's a great kid. If I want someone to marry my daughter, it's him. Apparently, Elway wants his Broncos to win championships, so he signed Peyton Manning instead. And so it is.
Which we did say. Denver had a good chance. Thank you again to the Astros. This is such short notice, but they came over.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Visio Sabayan.
At also the UP Fighting Maroons, the back-to-back champions, 3 in the last 4 years. Maraming salamat for dropping by. Thanks for watching Philippines. I'm Boom Gonzalez.
Special thanks to Vision Express and Julie for my eyewear, Daniel Hector, my shirt at TW Steer. Big shout out to Nestor Noida and our TFC subscribers in the Middle East. Take care, everybody. I'm Boy Season.
And I'm Bill Velasco. Join us again next Wednesday when we hit hard and hit strong, when we play
Hardball!
God bless. Stay safe.
Ano pa mo?
Congratulations.
Happy birthday!